We sing happy birthday to you, and may all your dreams.
Happy, happy birthday!
Happy, happy birthday! Happy, happy birthday to you!
Happy, happy birthday!
Happy, happy birthday! Happy, happy birthday to you!
Zian said, 1-year-old ka na. Good job. So far, so good. Hindi binibigyan ng sakit ng ulo si Mama.
Ilang taon ka na kaya naiintindihan mo na tong video na to?
At ilang taon ka na kaya pag nakita ka namin? Hit! Punta kayo dito. Punta kayo dito.
Para sa birthday mo to.
Kaya from your ninong and your nina,
We sing happy
birthday
to you, and may all your dreams come true.
happy, happy birthday!
This is your birthday song.
Celebration all night long. Happy, happy birthday! Happy, happy birthday!
Happy birthday! Happy, happy birthday! Happy, happy birthday to you!
Buti na lang dito singing competition.
Yan, tabi tayo dyan. Tapos dalawang version. Same concept. Ayan, dyan ka na. Stay ka na dyan para kalahati ka ng ano.
Ayan. So, hindi naman importante yung character.
Happy, happy birthday to you.
Kaya, buta ako sa tono eh, pero sige.
Bumaba yung tono ko eh. Happy birthday to you.
Play na ba yan?
Okay.
Ay, play ko siya!
Sige, pasok mo.
Yun lang! Sorry.
Okay lang. Okay. Lean.
Hey!
It's plain. Okay. Happy, happy birthday to you. Okay. Do we swing?
Pwede. One version with sway.
Sige.
One version with random.
With random, whatever. Sige. Random muna para. 5, 6, 7. Happy, happy birthday to you. Sa panganong random. Ayoko nung random ko. Isa ba ito? 5, 3. Happy, happy birthday to you. Okay na. Okay. Tapos,
Isa yung swing.
swing. Pero iba na. So tayo na. Isang swing. Paano yung swing natin ba? Birthday to you. Right side. 5, 6, 7, go. Happy, happy birthday to you. Okay. Message na nga.
Oh, message na.
Message na.
A reading from the... Ano, parang, alam, isip ko, wala kasing friends na wala si EJ. Oo. Kaya nga parang kay EJ rin yung naging conclusion ko kaya ako siya nakatapit. At syempre na ito recorded.
So, EJ,
Ziense. Tama ba ang pronunciation ko ng pangalan niya?
oo nga, Ziense.